On the subject of Kashmir, whether it should be controlled by Pakistan, India, or it should be an independent nation itself, then there's a stalemate. And it's been that way for years. And if you'll notice, this line of control is right there on the glacier. And China and Pakistan and India all would like to control that because of the economic values and the things that happens. And there's a sum up by the other nations kind of what's going on. The U.S. State Department said there is a need for a peaceful resolution to the Kashmir conflict. Duh. And the Chinese Foreign Ministry says it's a leftover issue from history between India and Pakistan and needs to be properly settled through a dialogue and consultation between the two sides. Well, there's the two sides, but then there's the Kashmir people themselves who have many, many divided loyalties. And so when you talk about is there any other option of what could happen? You have this 15-year-old boy who films events and he calls himself a freedom fighter because he's showing the rest of the world what's going on. And we've watched the military coups that just come every little while for whoever's in charge. And they've already had decades and decades of talk, and there's so many talks of so many different factions. I really don't see how anything's going to change unless there's a cataclysmic situation or a charismatic leader who can really unify them. So I honestly can't see any options going on, and gosh, I hope they find some way to settle that.